Hey, as we always do, I'll start the course looking for references. I really like using Pinterest. In fact, I have my own board and I've created different boards with diverse topics. And this is the one I made for this course, where I'm going to do a poker like Christmas card. So I created the board and saved the some references. Okay? What about these references? I want it to be linear, like this one, with lots of lines and of a single color. So I've also included references regarding the figure's position as well, okay? Guys, bear in mind the following. Don't use these tools like Pinterest and others I mention later to copy the results, please. Not only is it wrong, and you know that, but also downplays the designer's job. So, if you don't want this to happen to you and you want to project this profession, don't copy. Use them simply to get some inspiration, okay? So, if you like this linear style, look for some references and use them to create your own design, okay? In addition, one of the advantages of Pinterest is that if you like something in particular, you just can click the More Ideas tab to discover more references inspired by what you saved, and you can add this to your board as well. Another option is to click on an image you like and more references will be displayed at the bottom. Guys, I use Pinterest a lot and I find it really, really useful. Another site you can use is Behance. It's an online platform of Adobe. And in this platform, photographers, designers, and other artists upload to this platform their works, and sometimes they show how a particular work was made. Here, for example, you can see the work itself, the author, how it's been developed. See? And here, for example, is the sketch. It's a really cool social network. Another site quite similar is Dribble, although not that popular. On Dribble, creative works are showcased, but they only include one image. It's similar to, let's say, Instagram's interface, and it's created by designers. You don't need to be registered to access Dribble, but if you want to have a design account, you need to get an invitation from an active user of Dribble. Well, once you're clear about the style, what we are going to do next is add references to the board. I always spend a lot of time in this step and coming up with an idea and developing the sketch. So the more you do at the beginning, the lesser you'll have to do later on. It is if I spend, let's say, 2 hours getting inspiration, I'd save 4 hours later correcting and modifying, since my idea will be clear from the beginning. Okay? So spend a lot of time in this step. And in the next lesson, I'll give you some tips you need to bear in mind when making a postal card. Okay? See you there.